Guten Tag, Kinder. Wie geht's euch? Hoffentlich gut. Now we are on the last part of Lektion 6. Now we will solve few last remaining exercises of Lektion 6 Arbeitsbuch. So let's start. Aufgabe 17. Was bedeuten die Abkürzungen für die Maßangaben? Maßangaben is standards or whatever are the measurements. So what are the short forms? Abkürzungen is short forms for this measurement. Schreib sie auf, write down it. Denk daran, Nomen schreibt man immer groß. Just keep in mind that the noun's first letter should always be capital. So while writing, you just see to it that the first letter you are writing capital. So first one is already given. EL is the short form of S Löffel, that is tablespoon. TL, it is Teelöffel. T-double-E and Löffel spelling is as it is teaspoon. Number 3, kg, you already know it is kilogram. Instead of double M, only single M is there, and write K capital. G is for gram, G-R-A-M. And Pfund, number Pfund, L is for liter. This is L and it is for liter. So these are the short forms of measurements. Aufgabe 18a, korrigiere die Maßangaben. They have given the wrong measurements and you are supposed to write the correct measurement. So before you write the correct measurement, I will just explain you the meanings of these words. Frankfurter grüne Soße mit Kartoffel. This is the name of that recipe. Soße is sauce, Kartoffel is potatoes. Einfach means this is simple recipe. And in that box, in that picture, it is given Zutaten für 4 Personen. These ingredients are for 4 people. 6 Eier, 6 eggs. 100 TL is given, that should be gram. Yogurt, yogurt is curd only, but it is flavored one. Dry 100 EL is given. Frische Kräuter, Kräuter means herbs. Okay, fresh herbs, 7 different herbs. 0.2 kg is written, that is the wrong measurement. You have to write the correct one. Sahne oder Creme Fraiche. Sahne is cream and Creme Fraiche is also a name of cream. 1 liter is given. Neue Kartoffel, new potatoes. Salz is salt. Weißer Pfeffer is white pepper powder. Sugar is sugar. So now you try to correct the measurements and then we will discuss the answers. Aufgabe B, was passt oder zu? Whatever is correct, you have to match. Now we are going to see here the recipe of that Frankfurter grüne Soße mit Kartoffel. For that, they have given the verbs in the box above. First, I will tell you meanings of the verbs. Vermischen is to mix. Schälen is to peel. Würzen is to spice up or to mix up, to sprinkle. Kochen, to cook, that will come twice. Schneiden is to cut, that will also come twice. Dazugeben is add in it. Legen is to keep. Waschen is to wash. Now I will just explain you the difficult words of the meanings of difficult words so that you can solve it. Zubereitung is preparation. Die Eier ungefähr 6 Minuten kochen. That means to boil the eggs. Ungefähr means approximately for 6 minutes. Dann kurz in kaltes Wasser blank. Then in cold water, kurz means for a short time, means for little bit time. The Eier pelen. Pelen is to remove that shells. Okay, that remove the shells of that eggs. Und in kleinen Stücke, and in small pieces. Die Kräuter unter kaltem Wasser. The herbs under cold water. Und sehr klein blank, and very small blank. Die Sahne mit dem Joghurt und den Kräutern blank. The cream with the yogurt and the herbs. Etwas Sugar, little bit sugar. Mit Salz und Pfeffer, mit salt and pepper. Kartoffeln und 20 Minuten in Salzwasser and for 20 minutes in the salt water. So now you try to write the correct verbs here. You write it first, then we will discuss the same. Nächste Seite, Arbeitsbuch, Seite Nummer 61. Aufgabe 19. Lies die Ausschnitte aus einem Vortrag zum Thema vegetarisch Essen und ergänze die Satzteile. Read the segments from a presentation on the topic vegetarian food and fill up the sentence parts or sentence segments. They have given in the bracket komme ich zum Schluss, that means I come to the end. Ich persönlich, I personally. Ich würde sagen, I would like to say. Zuerst spreche ich, at first I will speak. Ich finde es positiv, I find it positive. Here by uns, here at us, aber negative ist, but the negative is. Ich mache eine Präsentation, I make a presentation. Für Ihre Aufmerksamkeit, Aufmerksamkeit is attention, for your attention. Es hat Vorteile, it has positive points, advantages. Dann sage ich, then I will tell. These are the points. Now I will explain you the paragraph, then you try to fill up the correct segments in the correct blanks. Ich mache eine Präsentation zum Thema vegetarisch Essen. I am doing a presentation on the topic vegetarian food. Zuerst spreche ich über eigene Erfahrungen. At first I will speak about own experiences. Eigene means own. Erfahrungen is experiences. Blank. Wie die Situation in meinem Heimatland ist. How is the situation in my homeland? Ich erkläre auch, I will also explain, welche Vor- und Nachteile es gibt. Which advantages or disadvantages there are. Und dann, and then, there is a blank. 2. In meiner Familie essen wir nicht vegetarisch. We are not vegetarian. We don't eat vegetarian. Blank. Esse zum Beispiel jeden Tag Fleisch oder Fisch. Every day eat fish or meat. Aber ich habe eine Tante, die nie Fleisch isst. But I have an aunt who never eats meat. Nummer 3. At the beginning there is a blank. Gibt es immer mehr Leute. There are always more and more people and youngsters. Also youngsters. Jugendliche ist youngster. Who eat vegetarian food. Es gibt auch vegetarische Restaurants. There are also vegetarian restaurants. Nummer 5. Blank und Nachteile. Wenn man vegetarisch isst. If one eats vegetarian. Blank, weil man viel Gemüse und Obst isst. Because one eats lots of vegetables and fruits. Das ist sehr gesund und man wird nicht dick. That is very healthy and one doesn't become fat. Blank, dass man nicht alles isst. That one doesn't eat everything. Deshalb kann man bei einer Einladung Probleme bekommen. So one can get problems in case of any invitation. Food means invitation for lunch or dinner. 10th blank. Dass man auf Fleisch nicht ganz verzichten sollte. One should not give up completely the meat, weil man es braucht, because one needs it. Man darf nur nicht zu viel davon essen. One should not eat too much from that. Mein Vortrag ist nun zu Ende. Now my presentation is coming to end. Ich hoffe, hat Ihnen gefallen. I hope you liked it. Herzlichen Dank. Heartiest thank you. And then there is a blank. So now you try to fill up the blanks correctly and then we will discuss the answers of the same.